Welcome back to the Real Estate Investing Guide. We're glad to see you. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to know when we drop real estate content. We appreciate your support. Our goal is to provide value so you can succeed in your real estate journey. Chapter 14. Conduct energy audit. Check curtain walls and windows and check for violations and code compliance issues. Conduct energy audit. An energy audit is worth doing because you would be surprised at how much outdated electrical systems or lighting, or non-high efficiency appliances or mechanical systems can affect the bottom line. You want to find out the energy issues and ways you can fix things to make the building more energy efficient. This is the case especially if you are going to be paying for any of the utilities. Inspect curtain walls and windows. Sealing should be checked on curtain walls and windows to see when they were last sealed, and be sure to ask tenants if they have any issues with windows leaking. If all the sealing would need to be redone on curtain walls and windows, this could cost a lot of money. So it would help to check the condition of the seals to make sure this isn't something you'll have to worry about in the near future. Otherwise, you should be seeking discounts for these items. Check on violations or code compliance issues. Ask the local municipality if the property has any outstanding code violations that are unresolved and need to be taken care of, or if there are any code compliance issues that might be coming up. This will help determine the timeline for unresolved items or if changes might be made soon that the building will have to comply with. For instance, fire alarm systems, fire and life safety panels or systems, or sprinkler systems all cost a lot of money to install. If there are any items like this that might need to be installed or retrofitted to be in compliance with current or future building code requirements, you'll want to account for this in your financial analysis. Also be sure to ask about other things in the area. Are there going to be any major changes or upcoming construction projects or problems that might affect your building? Do you have a commercial property you need leased out? We can handle all of your leasing needs for you. We have signed over 1,000 leases locally. We have a very active approach compared to our local competitors. Experience the difference today. Contact us anytime. We are here for you. References are available upon request. LakerRealEstate.com 763-645-4617